Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my attempt at soft glam. If you guys enjoy it, this is your first time stopping by my channel, you're very much welcome. I hope you like what you see, and if you do, don't forget to like, comment and hit the subscribe button down below. So I'm starting off by priming my face using my MUA Pro Base Smooth Set and Prime Blur Stick. Just rubbing this all into my face. For foundation, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Matte HD foundation in the shade Creamy Cocoa, as well as a drop or so of my Revolution Pro foundation drops in the shade Orange. As you can see, it's not the perfect match, but it works out once I conceal and whatnot. So for concealer, I'm using the Revolution Supersize Concealer in the shade C13.5, putting that in all the usual areas. You'll see in this tutorial, I went a bit ham with my concealer. You know, I don't usually do that, but I don't know what was going through my head that day, but somehow, by the grace of God, I managed to blend it all out. I'm going in a second with my second concealer shade, which is C12, another conceal and define concealer. I went so overboard with this shade. You will see, you know, in a few seconds that it really took me, obviously this is sped up, but a while to blend out. Again, I don't know what was going through my head when I was doing this tutorial. Now that I've miraculously blended out all that concealer, I am setting all the areas I've concealed with my Revolution Banana Deep Powder. To set the rest of my face, I'm using my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the shade N9 Mahogany. Now that I've completed my base, I'm priming my lids with my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C12, the second shade I use. And the palette I'm going to be using in this tutorial is the Morphe 25A Copper Spice palette. Taking the shade I'm touching there, and I'm putting that all over my lid. But you made me like that too, and I thought you was on. So going back into the palette, I'm taking a mix of these two browns and I'm working that into my crease, but mainly on the outer area of my crease and a little bit on the outer corner of my lid, just working that in, making sure there's a nice blend to really add some depth and warmth to the look. I wanted this soft glam to be very neutral, very brown focused. Going into another Morphe palette, I think this is the Morphe 9G palette, not 100% sure, but I'll put it in the description box below for clarification. Picking up the brown that I showed, and I'm just using that to deepen the first colour, tapping that on before obviously blending out, as you can see. And I just really like how it deepened the colour of the first brown shade. And you'll see I'm going back into that smaller Morphe palette, and I'm taking the shade Filter. It looks like a peach on camera, I don't know if it's just my laptop, but it's actually like a creamish white as it's coming across in the eyeshadow, and I'm just putting that into my tear ducts, and I just love that shade. I always use it when I want a pop of brightness in my tear duct. Currently I am lining my waterline with a gel liner, another Morphe product, and this is their gel liner in the shade Stargazer. It's actually a black with some shimmer shimmer, but the shimmer is not visible and it was cheaper than the normal black, so I thought, you know, let me go for this. Now moving back onto my face, I'm using my Juvias Place blush palette in volume 1. I use this palette to bronze, as I'm currently doing. I use it to contour, I use it for my blush, and I also use it to highlight. However, I did not use any blush in this tutorial, simply because, as I said earlier, I wanted it to be like a focus of brown, but very neutral, very soft. I do apologise for all the traffic noise you can hear in the background. I'm actually at work at the moment, so I'm quite close to the road. So I bronze and now I am contouring. Setting my face using my Revolution oil control fixing spray. Moving on to mascara. I like to put my mascara on while my face is wet. I feel like it just helps the mascara to really go onto my lashes. Highlighting, I believe I use the Juvias Place highlighter this day. I like switching to a smaller brush to highlight my obviously smaller areas of my face, my brow bone, Cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose, as you will see. But at the moment, just blending the eyeshadow and highlighter together. I always like it to be a smooth blend and transition between my highlighter and my eyeshadow. And like I said, a smaller brush for my Cupid's bow and bridge of my nose. I just feel like it gives such a nicer, detailed highlight. As you can see, I don't contour because highlighting is literally enough. Blending that out with another brush. I love highlighter, but I don't love it when my face is overly highlighted, especially because I have very textured skin. Lashes. Now, I regret my lash choice. I feel like they were way too dramatic for like soft glam. But it still kind of came together. But me and 25 is it millimeter lashes? Yeah, it's a no-go. For my lips, my first brown shade was actually concealer, the Conceal and Define concealer in C18. Then I used a Makeup Obsession lipstick and another concealer, which was C13.5. Back into the small Morphe palette using the shimmery white shade, and we are done. So this is the finished look, guys. Sorry it wasn't much of a tutorial. I wasn't even planning on filming this video at all. I was actually filming a everyday makeup tutorial, but then I thought and I decided to go for a soft glam attempt. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, hit the subscribe button down below, and hopefully I'll see you in a later video.